This is the World Industrial News for Friday, March 20th. Brought to you by Industrial Info Resources of Sugar Land, Texas. BP locked out union members at its refinery in Whiting, Indiana, on Thursday. That could add to problems at the pump stemming from war raging in the Middle East. U.S. retail gasoline prices are as high as they were in summer 2022 when global energy markets were upended by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. And now, ongoing labor action at one of the nation's largest refineries could make matters worse. Hawaii is turning to JERA Company Incorporated, which is Japan's largest power provider, to modernize Oahu's energy system. The state is building on a strategic partnering agreement signed with JERA in October to accelerate the replacement of aging, inefficient oil-fired generation on the island, which is home to state capital Honolulu. The new construction will include modern, high-efficiency infrastructure, according to the office of Governor Josh Green. Industrial Info is tracking more than $2.1 billion worth of active and proposed power industry projects across Hawaii. Gas levels running to U.S. export terminals for liquefied natural gas remained strong on Thursday, but it might not be enough to offset the mounting losses due to fighting in the Middle East. IIR Energy put the amount of feed gas supporting export terminals for LNG at 19 billion cubic feet, up from 1830 billion the prior day. Routine maintenance on pipelines feeding the terminals influenced the early week declines. Earlier this week, Hungary and Slovakia gave the final green light for the construction of a 127-kilometer pipeline to carry products such as petrol and diesel between the countries. Slovakia and Hungary, in contrast to the other members of the 27-state European Union, are the only two EU countries that continue to receive Russian oil via pipeline. But that supply has been nil since late January, when a portion of the Druzhba pipeline in Ukraine was damaged by a Russian drone attack. Minor Anglo-American expects to receive regulatory approval for its merger with Teck by year-end. The new company would be among the world's largest copper producers, with annual volumes of 1.2 million tons. For details on these and other breaking news, read the full stories at industrialinfo.com. I'm Christine Ramos, reporting for Industrial Info News.